Hey guys, the Buddhist chef here. Today we're making a recipe that's gonna change your life. It's meaty, it's moist inside, it's super crispy outside. No, it's not fried chicken, it's better than fried chicken. It's fried oyster mushrooms. Let's start with our batters. We need two batters, one wet batter, one dry batter. For this recipe, we're gonna be using spelt flour. We're gonna get a nice crispy outside with this. That's the secret to get a very crispy chicken. 1 cup of spelt flour. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add some soy milk. 1 cup. You could use almond milk. I almost forgot the secret ingredient. Of course, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. It's just for the taste. Maple syrup is my favorite ingredient. I put it everywhere. There you go. We've got our wet batter here. Next, dry batter. Spelt flour, again, 1 cup. 1 teaspoon paprika. Half a teaspoon of thyme. 1/4 teaspoon of dried sage. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Be careful, it's very hot. Then we mix it. Let's set it aside and warm up our oil. Okay, so as soon as our oil reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius, we're ready to go. We've got our wet batter, we've got our dry batter, we've got our spoon, we've got everything. Except for the mushrooms. Wow, look at these little mushrooms. If you ever find a Smurf in these, they're not vegan anymore. Nothing like a good Smurf joke. Okay, so first we're gonna place our mushrooms into the liquid batter. Then we're gonna coat our mushrooms with the dry batter. Then we're gonna fry it. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh boy, look at this. I have to try it. So crispy. Wow. Wow. Hey guys, I'm the Buddhist chef. Don't forget your cookbook. Have a nice week and bon appétit.